Okay, so we're gonna do the thing with the dominoes.
Yep. And the little ones, guess what, guys? The little ones can literally knock over the big old heavy ones. I'm so impressed for the little ones. Alright, come on, let's do it like this. Like we did.
Okay.
Wait. Don't let it fall. Ooh, we good.
3, 2, 1, and do.
Ooh, we good. Yeah. Yeah, baby, we good.
Oh, here's the blank one.
Let me put that blank one up, because this blank one is tricky to put up. Okay? That one, too, is tricky to put up. I told you it's tricky. I told you it's tricky to put up.
Oh, now we have to start all over again.
That was funny. That was the funny one. That was yeah. That one's tricky to put up. I told you that. Okay, that one too is tricky. Oh. Oh my god! Oh my god! I told you it's tricky to put up. Tricky. That whatever you pick up is tricky. Oh, that's not tricky.
You gotta do it like that, and then it won't fall.
Fall.
No, like this.
No, is that the tricky one?
No.
You just picked up the tricky one.
I told you don't do that. You gotta do it from the bottom.
Never. They're so tricky. Oh, you gotta space them. So if you fall, you're gonna catch them. Catch them if they fall.
Okay. Now we got a lot more to do.
Oh yeah.
We got a lot more.
Connor, this one's gonna fall. Oh, it didn't fall. Connor, this one's gonna fall. Okay. Told you. At least you can just back up. Connor, we ain't in a good look. Like that.
That's so hard.
I just did this in the camera. I'm going down once.
What?
I'm going down. Okay, I'm back alive, y'all. I got revived. Carter's just doing this by himself. Let me help him.
I'm good at this.
He really is. But don't let it go off the curve.
What curve?
This curve.
Don't do that, or else you're gonna make it fall.
Oh, we don't got let me count.
I'm good at stacking them.
Hold on. How much we got left? How much we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 left. Now we got 6 left. Now we got 5 left.
Let me do it, cause I'm the expert.
I can do it too. Oh, dang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, we're almost there.
Now we got 2. Connor.
Oh, sorry.
Now we gotta start all over. Okay, I'm gonna just put it right there. I'm just keep on building. Right there, these just gonna meet. Watch. These just gonna meet together. These just gonna meet together until this thing stops falling. These just gonna meet together. They're gonna meet together. They're gonna meet together. They're gonna meet together. It's the pit. Oh, this one is the hard one. Was that one the hard one? I think it was. This one sure is the hardest. Hey, this is a super hard one. Hey, this. It's gonna be a perfect shot. Hey, look. I can just dunk 30. Hey! Hey! Ooh! How we keep on messing up?
I have no idea.
The first one! It's the first one! I told you, don't let them do this. Don't let them do this. Or do this. Don't let them do that. Or wiggle like this. Because we stacking them up like this. Whoa! Whew. How much we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 left.
11?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Now we got 12 left. Hold on, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You said 170,000 times.
You're good at this.
I
Good.
told you I am.
I'm good at it too.
And now we only have a little bit more left and then we're going to be finished.
Yes. Then we can knock them over. And Connor, this time you can knock them over. The next one we do, I can.
No, it was, oh my gosh, it was wiggling. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't watch.
It's done.
But no one! Wow, that was amazing. So I think I want to do it with the little ones.
No, it's impossible to do it with the little ones, but
Oh, I can see what you mean.
look.
So we're going to
Look.
How did you do that? How did you? Oh, okay.
I did not know how I did that. How did I do that?
If you guys enjoyed this video, click the like button.
Woo, I'm back.
If you guys enjoyed this video, then click the link below and see more. If you want to see more videos, and comment below if you want to like do something else fun like this with my best friend Noah. And the video is over, guys. See you next time.
Yeah, peace.